Hello, this is Jeb Hamwerger from GoldStockTrades.com. It's October 25th. It's about 12:40 p.m. right now, and I need to update my readers about some important technical developments that are occurring ahead of the EU summit meeting tomorrow, October 26th, where we are supposed to hear some sort of bailout, some sort of attempt to recapitalize the troubled banks and troubled nations in severe debt issues such as Greece and Italy, and trying to prevent any sort of contagion from those banks. Today we're seeing silver break out and looks as though it appears to be closing the downside gaps, which I've been trying to show, alerting my readers to the closing of these gaps. We appear after the Operation Twist announcement, where we saw a series of two downside gaps and a waterfall decline. We appear to have stabilized, retested the $30 area, and now have broken above the $32 area, and closing the first gap between the $32 area and the $35 area. Today, silver is leading ahead of gold, ahead of the miners, up over 4% today, and it has been severely beaten down. So we may see a very powerful rally to close those downside gaps and to challenge previous highs here around the $40 area. So we think eventually there may be some consolidation, and eventually we're going to break through those highs. We're also seeing a very powerful reversal in gold today, and yesterday we saw a nice move into copper and into crude oil after being severely beaten down. So this may be signaling that the commodity correction that we saw from April and the expiration of QE2, the Japanese slowdown that occurred in March after the Fukushima, the earthquake, tsunami, and Fukushima disaster, plus the QE2 expiration and the debt issues in the United States and in Europe, it looks like it may be coming to a conclusion, and that October 4th reversal in the general market, we're seeing also in the precious metals. We're seeing it also in the miners, when we're seeing it across the board in many of the commodities, which have rebounded very impressively. So we need to follow to see if this is a bottom, and if we could see a very powerful year-end first quarter rally to make up for a very difficult 2011 for natural resource and commodity investors. Another one of our recommendations, U.S. gold, we have seen a real severe downturn from April till from where we reached our original target of close to $10, and has now declined to as low as $3, which was the previous 2010 breakout. So U.S. gold has reached oversold conditions not seen since the beginning of 2010, and we think that the downtrend, the 6-month downtrend in U.S. gold, will be reversed. They've made a huge discovery in Mexico since 2009 and have completed over 165,000 meters of core drilling and have not found the limit of the system. Today's results show very impressive results that we haven't seen some of these results from out of El Gallo for many months, and this is in addition to the merger with Minera Andes, where U.S. Gold and Minera Andes will form McEwen Mining, and they're going to have a great growth profile of production, of development, and of exploration. So the fundamentals look very strong for this company, and with a great management team. So we need to look ahead and see if the downtrend will be broken and if U.S. gold can regain its long-term uptrend. Thank you and have a great